Colorful Cute Kids.
Hi friends, welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Spider-Man as Santa Claus, and it's super easy. Are you excited? Let's get started. First, I'll draw his two big Spidey eyes. They look so cool, don't they? Next, let's add a Santa hat on his head. Just like this, it's starting to look festive already. Now, I'll draw the spider web patterns on his face mask. These lines make him look just like Spider-Man. Next, I'll draw his arms. Look, he's holding something in his hands. Can you guess what it might be? Then, I'll draw his legs. He's squatting, just like he's ready to jump into action. On his back, let's add a big gift bag. What kind of presents do you think Spider-Man is bringing? To make the drawing stand out, I'll use a black marker to trace over the lines. It looks amazing already. Now, it's time to color. First, I'll use red to color his Santa hat. For Spider-Man's costume, we'll use red to his favorite color. Do you like Spider-Man? I really like him, he's so awesome. Did you know Spider-Man's costume has more than one color? That's right, it's red and blue. Oh no, I almost made a mistake. I colored part of his costume green, but it's supposed to be white. Kids, don't be like me. Make sure to double check your colors. Wow, you did such a fantastic job. Spider-Man looks amazing as Santa Claus, ready to bring joy to everyone this Christmas. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We'll have more fun drawings waiting for you. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.